Hi guys, my name is Yvonne Metz. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've been here before, then welcome back. In this video today, I'm going to be doing a quick review. I'm a little late on this one, but it is on this little box here. It's Knitcrate. This is the May kit, and if you follow my blog, you'll understand why this is so late, but I just had to do a review on this. It is an awesome kit. I absolutely love it. And so let me show you what's in the box. All right, let's go ahead and open the box. So here you have your information here. This retail value is $63. You guys, just this yarn alone is $24 each. All right. The kit itself, I want to say it's $24.99, so that's a really awesome deal. Plus you get two patterns. This one is a knit pattern. And then on the back here, this one's a cabled clutch, and it's the crochet pattern. So if you do both, this is awesome. If you don't, then if you do one or the other, at least you get a free pattern. You don't even have to use the patterns if you don't want to. You can crochet whatever you want or knit whatever you want. So here is the yarn, and I have to say I love, love, love this. This colorway is Gray Twist, and it's awesome. I've never used this kind of yarn before, but I can totally see little beanies or anything really, shawls. I'm going to be having a granddaughter here pretty soon, and I can totally see her in these colors with a beanie or something like that, or a headband. So anyways, guys, if you are interested or if you want to know more about the company, I will put all the information in the link in the description box below. If you want to try it out, you're more than welcome to. There's a code there. If you do try it, you'll get 20% off. You can cancel at any time. And if you have any questions, let me know. This is my first review on this product, and I just have to say, so far I'm liking it. There's another one coming. I think they come out every the 10th, on the 10th of every month. So I believe you can still get this one. June will be shipped out, I believe, June 10th. So we will do another review, and I will go ahead and open the box with you guys. So we'll be surprised together. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you next time. Bye.